Hello everyone, by the way, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change our shipping address on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, we need to go to our PayPal account. Okay, PayPal account. So what we're gonna do guys, to change our shipping address, just need to go to our settings. Okay, this one you just have to click that one and go to your account and you will see here your address and you just have to click this edit guys. And okay, so here guys you can actually you know um edit your address, and if you're done guys you just have to need to save it and you're good to go guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.